Awulamaphela sicoco sinoke insundo nangamakhokozela njengelifu lemvula ngalolu suku lwanamhlanje being the frying day the 28th of May 2021 ulosihlanu ke lusuku esisanduluqala lapho siye sithake khona okwakaloku nje sisaya kwisikolo samayeza apho siyomamela khona abantu basesikolweni xa benyanga izinto abazinyangayo namhlanje banyanga idliso belinyanga ngesiwasho sinyange lidliso mntana omhle ngesiwasho sizawungena ke esikolweni sive ukuthi bathaka kanjani abantu basesikolweni. We've got only two announcements. The first announcement namhlanje nje bayi 2018 nje i31st is Monday kulapho sivala khona iform yakho wena mntu othi na ufuna ungena esikolweni na uzokwazi uthaka wenze nawe zakho izinto zenzeke unyanga amadliso unyanga amabekelo unyanga into ezifuna unyangwa i-announcement ke ethi iyavala iform on the 31st igroup iqale that Saturday wena mntu kodwa ubhalisile if by Wednesday awukafumani WhatsApp osuka apha ekhaya kuyafuneka usikhangele uthi tata uphele bendibhalisile kodwa igama lam andiliboni kwabantu babhalisileyo. I've not received WhatsApp because the first thing enzekayo you get a message ekufaka kwi-WhatsApp group kulapho ke siqala khona ke ukuncokola ke sichazelana izinto zasesikolweni apho kufanele kuqalwe khona kuqaliswa through uWhatsApp ne-link zithunyelwe ngoWhatsApp ne-assignment yonke nje into yenziwa ngaye uWhatsApp into oqala ke uzusijonge by Wednesday if awukayifumani eyakho into ube ububhalisile because yenzeke into ze-technology ucimba wena you said send kanti into ihleli apho kuwe efonini okanye ekhompyutheni kunumber 1 lo xa sigcwalisa ke unumber 1 after this month end the form won't be clickable so ungazihluphi ke emva kwe-31st umane uyocofa iform because abingacofeki. The second announcement ke khawulezileyo wena mntu othi ufuna uyofemba utata uNdebe lo sakhe sathetha ngaye ofembayo wena mntu othi ufuna uvindaba ufuna uhlolwa sisihlwele somndawe ufuna bakufembe utata uNdebe from the 7th of June uzawube eseGauteng wena mntu ke uthi around eGauteng ungadibana naye utata uNdebe is on his way to Maputo so he will go to Joburg ahlala ixesha elithile go to Maputo and back nasendleleni ebuyayo ke May station eJoburg kuyafuneka wena mntu nomdla umcheckishe uthi noko ingathi ufutshane mandimzame 060 646 3453 ndiyayiphinda 060 646 3453 nantso ke i-announcement ke siyigqibile ebingalonto besiyenza ke katata uNdebe nabantu basesikolweni. Without wasting time ke masingeneni eklasini apho kuthakwa khona kunyangwe ibekelo ngesiwasho Camako.
Tata uphele.
Okay, who's talking?
Mate.
Oh, Mate. So you are group? Yes, we do. You are group?
Okay. Group A.
Group A. Okay. Go ahead, get that.
Akancane ngiye kule presentation.
While you're still going, let me read the case. Your new church mate has received a prophecy in the church. She's been bewitched. Some problems are getting better. What is not improving Lidlis? Make her something for this problem. Isiwasho only. Note, explain why each element or ingredient is added in your mix. That's all.
About a group here to this is what we think. First day, the patient sinikeza charcoal. Activated charcoal on an empty stomach. In measurement, we stay 2 spoons in 500 milliliters of water. The reason behind this acidity action, activated charcoal attracts and binds with anything toxic in the body and later flush it in a form of stools or usually diarrhea. But isabuya sacingisisa kahle ukuthi remember a problem with the diarrhea that is good and it keep good and bad bacteria. they get flushed out, and electrolytes get lost in the process. So but the rule of thumb, after a diarrhea, we use the plain yogurt to reintroduce the good bacteria, plus we use the bicarbonate soda to bring back the lost electrolytes. Then after that, we give a patient siwasho sokuphalaza. The following are the ingredients, the siwasho sokuphalaza. Vinegar, 5 spoons. Joko tea, 2 spoons. Alam itiye lomgodi, 4 spoons. Jazz fluid, 2 milliliters. Spirit, 3 milliliters. 500 milliliters of milk. The above dosage is ifakwa 10 liter worth of amanzi okuphalaza. Reason, vinegar, sithi acidic, it overpowers the acidity of Idliso. Joko tea, it acts as an anti-acid, fighting with acidicity of both Idliso and vinegar combines. Angazi group ningincede angibambuli. Tatu phela sangizwa namanje.
Oh, sorry, I'm muted. Yeah, we are listening. Sorry,
Are you still listening?
Yes,
okay.
I only muted. Sorry. Qhubeka dad.
Stay alamu, it eats up anything that is foreign in a body. Jazz fluid kills all things foreign. Spirit also kills foreign things in the body, whether physiologically or metaphysically introduced emzimbeni womuntu. Sathi milk, it binds with its alkalinity everything acidic and flushes out. Isiwasho sokukhotha, after that first process, sesimenzela isiwasho sokukhotha on an empty stomach. Ngalelo langa ngaphalazi ngalona. Besithe i-cocoa powder, especially cocoa powder ngalibayenza ngamakhekhe. Sathi 2 spoons. I-raw honey, sathi 4 spoons. I-sulfur, isibabula, 1/4 spoon. Chocolate powder, sathi 2 spoons. I-raisins, the action, isibabula fights to eliminate internal lumps, wounds, ulcers in all living things. Then Joko is an anti-acid. The cocoa powder is famous for fighting cancer. The raw honey works as a transporter of the above ingredients, a good nurse of wounds, and has been claimed to have antifungal, antibacterial properties. We take the above siwasho sokukhotha for 3 days. So after 3 days, ethatha siwasho sokukhotha simenzela ijoko tea. Sithatha 50 grams yejoko siyenze ibe itiye. After that, simenzele amanzi okuphalaza lawo engaba 10 liters or 15 liters, depending ukuthi how strong he is umuntu lo esimnyangayo. Angazi siphelele lapho, angazi ukuthi abe groupini ukhona onga-add or subtract.
Okay.
For group A.
Okay. Maybe let's not take from a group A. Let's take from any other group. We have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Any addition? Any approach from other groups? Okay. I think from my side, yes, CB.
I just wanted to find out, Bob Mate mentioned that activated charcoal causes diarrhea. Contrary to what I know, that is used to treat diarrhea because it's an absorbent. It attracts stuff to itself. So if you've got diarrhea,
that's why when it reason and action, activated charcoal attracts and binds with anything toxic in the body and later flush it in the form of a stool or a diarrhea.
La kwi-charcoal sisebenzisa i-charcoal because idliso leli asilazi noma i-poison, and then mhlambe lise fresh kufanele sisebenzise i-charcoal ukuze liphume as form of i-diarrhea, liphume ngezansi lingaphumi ngenhla. That's a reason that we use i-charcoal.
Okay.
Ngiyabonga.
Okay. All I was to say, I'm also buying your concoctions. My only concern would be EJ's fluid. Yeah, you see, because if something happens, we'll be in trouble because it's also written not for internal consumption. Now I would propose something like a potassium permanganate for that same purpose, or a copper sulfate, a little bit, meaning either we take umanyazini or we take bluestone, highly diluted, for the purpose sikhuphe EJ's fluid. I'm quite aware ukuthi people use it, but for purposes here class and a recorded session, we run away from EJ's fluid.
Poisonous stuff.
Yeah. Spirit, we can tolerate it because if you go to Ezikawa, spirit is there, so we can live with that one. Otherwise, I'm happy with everything. I also like the approach here, activated charcoal. I think before the session ends, we should also talk about how we make our own, because it's very easy to make it than basi a chemist to buy activated charcoal. Thanks, Group A. That was very nice. You were dealing with something very complicated. Idliso with siwasho. Siwasho is troubled if you are not creative enough. So you really did a good job. I think that's the end of the 40 minutes here too. Before we go to a next group. We just break this one and then go to a next group and then we'll be done. Thank you. Don't run.